celebrity. A made figure way bigger than the mother cat you love to see.
What's up, YouTube? So we are officially on day 3 of our trip, and I think the current time is like around 4:30. So I'm not gonna lie, we got here like 3 a.m. last night from the club, and we slept all day. So it was our rest day, official rest day, and it was everything. So now we're up, getting ready to go grab something to eat real quick, and then we have dinner tonight at the Hibachi Restaurant. So it's just a relaxed day because tomorrow we are officially in Jamaica and we are going to Dunn's River. Let's get ready. Let's go officially start the day, even if it's like in the afternoon, but it is what it is. So stay tuned. Oh, and I wanted to I have to show off my hoodie because it's from Ivory Blues. And it says Caribbean girls run it, ask Ray. Okay? Because they do. Period. So let's go, guys. I'm excited. Alright. Oh, I got fish and chips. Fish sandwich and shrimp dip. Not gonna lie, this fish slaps. It slaps for real. And of course we got drink. I wanna say we miss you, girls. Mommy misses you, right? I know it might seem like I need some breaks sometimes, but I don't need a break. I know. I could go like one good day without her. Like 2 days top. After that day, I'm like, I need my baby, I need my child. We just finished eating fish and chips, and now we are about to go probably walk on a cruise.
But as a review, because I think this is a review sandwich, could possibly be fish and chips. They should rename it as one piece of fish.
And 5
chips. Yeah. Literally 5 French fries and 1 little bowl of
We
fish.
had to ask for more fish. Like, what is just some of they gave us? Like, what is
You wanna hear another funny? I went back got a fish sandwich. 1 little popcorn fish for the whole sandwich. So what I had to do was I had to add 2 more pieces of fish to fill up the bun. So just keep it in mind. They don't offer much. Carnival is a little more generous.
Also, if you come, bring hot sauce, because they don't give hot sauce. So, you know, bring hot sauce later.
Yeah, if you're into that sort of thing.
Guys, can you see that land? I don't even know what that is. Okay, so apparently that is Cuba, which I've seen before. That's Cuba, and on the other side is Haiti. But watching.
Bills might be on there. They're laughing at it.
Bird watching.
I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe. Them no big kill my vibe. No big kill. Them no big kill. Them no big kill my eyes are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad fight. If you hit your enemies try. If you're not a friend of me, enter the
Go Riri, go Riri, go Riri.
yeah, no go take shit. Right, Mila.
At the gym, look at her. Funny, fashionably stylish. Everywhere she good. Everywhere she to the gym.
Actually time to go get ready for dinner. Yeah, we gotta go get ready for dinner. As you said, we just came from the gym, just checked it out. It was really nice. The gym was good. But I'm actually hungry again. So let's go get ready to go to Hibachi dinner and eat some steak. It's been a while. So we are heading to dinner. Hi, Julian. Heading to dinner.
The camera won't work if I'm in the video.
Let's go eat.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
From the salad and
My
right.
sister is watching. Okay? Very supportive, right? My ex-boyfriend. Okay. My brother from my another mother. Hey.
Hey.
So. Okay, you can try the papaya. Okay. Everything here in our store is Japanese, except for those people behind you. Check with the guy, yeah? Nobody is Japanese here. Not even one is Japanese. Not even a single person here is Japanese. That guy, that handsome guy over there and behind you, look like a Japanese. He's not a Japanese. He's a pure Filipino. The other guy is from Manila. My brother. Yeah, Manila Sioux. Okay. Sorry, brother. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No, that was
It's a bad throw. Okay. That was a bad throw. Okay. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. Another bad throw. Ready? 1.
It's magic every time I look at you. Come here,
I got to get over here though. Top notch.
10 out of 10.
Rated.
10 out of 10.
For real.
William,
Real I am.
I love I got our little box. And I'm stuffed because I don't have room for dessert.
And this, whatever, some berry juice, really nice.
It's like pomegranate.
This needed that. That's the best drink I'm here.
Alright, it's time for dessert. Let's see how this gets on.
You said chocolate. I don't like chocolate. Yeah, you can have it. Those are good though. I don't like chocolate.
you make me feel get there for my soul.
Too late. I don't want your pity. Too late. You're not impressed with this, that's okay. Kyler, you're gonna throw to me. As soon as you throw to me, look at Stetson. I cannot stress that enough. Alright, we're gonna move you in Stetson. Come on. Heads up. I'm really not that good at this one. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay. I mean, so the loop-de-loop may look like this. Do it.
Camera girls want me, but like you, I want to know.
hello everybody, and I'm gonna be part of the ladies team.
Of course, I'm gonna be part of guys too. All let the dogs out. That's a shih tzu.
You got
Do this one. Make some noise, guys. You know what?
the most amount of guys as you can inside your island. Wait, not yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet. Ladies,
And also these ladies.
45 seconds to achieve the most amount of ladies. 2 rules. Wait, one
Yes,
lady.
not yet.
Everybody
Wait, 2 rules. 1, no drinks on the stage. Rule number 2, do not jump on top of the furniture. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's
Go!
go! 45, go, go, go! Let's go, let's go!
Do not break the circle. Do not break the circle, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, all right, guys, I'm gonna count them, okay?
Okay, on count of 3, I'm gonna say how many guys was inside the pirate island. And Felix, where are you?
I'm here.
I just lost you. And you're gonna say how
And
many
ladies.
girls were in the sleigh island.
All right, if I count, okay?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, 41.
It's very easy. You need to take this orange to the end of the line and bring it back to you guys. But the way that you need to do it, that you need to pass the orange, is between your chest and your neck.
You, but you cannot repeat the words. You say hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray. Whenever he stops, you have to continue.
So, every time that I give you the mic, you need to sing a song, okay? But the rules are, you cannot repeat a song that some of them already sang. You cannot take more than 5 seconds, okay? And rule that
Everyone will find someone like you. You are my fire. Desire. I chime in with the haven't you people ever heard
Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. Twinkle, twinkle.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. A, B, C, D.
I'm at a payphone trying to call. Twinkle, twinkle.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Go, go! Blow as big as you can. As big, 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 big. Big, big. Let's go. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Tie it between the knees and go to the other side. Let's go. Let's go. Between the legs. Take it, take it, take it. Let's go. Follow the Lord. Follow the Lord. No way. Let's go. Go back. Follow the Lord. Hey, you stay, you stay, you stay. You stay. Let's go. 2 victories. Netflix and chill, both of you. No, between the knees. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Sit down. Fight the Lord. Go, go, fight it.
Them other girls want me, but not you I want.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an adult scavenger hunt, meaning 18 and over only. Why? Because I'm going to ask you, gentlemen, taking home the silver. Can I get a drum roll? Team number 1. That means in first place. Team number 4. 55 points, ladies and gentlemen. Team number 5.
this kind thing with tomato. Oh no no.
Hi, so you guys just saw we went to what's it called? Magic Quest? What's it called? Crazy Quest? And it was a blast. Like I had fun. Like it was literally like
crazy.
We had a blast. I would definitely do it again and be more prepared this time because there's also for a lot of crazy stuff. But other than that, we had a blast. Like I have like it was just fun. We even went and did a challenge. Tell them, babe. We did. We went and we rode the boat, Bundy River. It was cute. So we're actually gonna go ahead and close out for tonight because we have to be up early tomorrow because tomorrow we are waking up in Jamaica. I'm so excited. Waking up in Jamaica tomorrow. So you know how because
Don't know.
hopefully we don't hear no bad news because everyone was talking about like the weather, but we're not gonna speak about it. We're not gonna We're not gonna everything Ivory. We're not gonna do that. So let's get ready, go to sleep, and we shall see y'all in the morning. Y'all, why we gotta watch this freaking violence, man? It's disturbing.